just pick up 2 smoke alarm from Argos. That's unboxing. Right. This back on the side. 2 packs. There are 2 smoke alarm inside of this box, and cost me only £8, £7.99. So they are good, they're cheap, and they're 2, including the 2 batteries and 3-year warranty as well. So let's start. Right. First of all, the screws and wall plugs. Right, that's a white smoke alarm. Looks okay to me. Good size as well. Right, anything else? Let's see. Whoa, it's quite big. I'm gonna read all of them. Show you where are you gonna fix. Like here. Should be like that. Show you all the details. And that's the smoke alarm now. Yeah, that's going to your ceiling. 2 screws, like they're including the battery as well. So where's fairway battery inside? Right. Yep, this flashing is ready to rock and roll. Both are same. It's quite good size of them. It's good size and very that easy. Put this in the ceiling, 2 screw it, pull it back, and that's it. I bought it from Argos.